So today's video is a bit of a debriefing in regard to the serious contracting offers that I had yesterday. So basically all offers were refused. Commercial charges, offer of violence, offer of unlawful arrest, whatever. So they did, at least on the video, acknowledge that that humans have rights, but having said that, they still tried to gain entry to my car. So I would suggest that everybody lock their car, leave their windows up, because they acknowledge you have rights, but yet they're willing to violate those very rights. So obviously, if they open your car, unlawful search and seizure. Or search anyway, and then obviously it probably will go to then a trespass tort, because they'll unlawfully arrest you. Now, my video cut short yesterday, but what happened is that obviously I didn't consent to any of their charges or tickets, so I didn't get any of them. So good luck to them if they want to try. I've got the evidence against them, and I thanked them for their intimidation and went on my way. Yeah, it's all very interesting, you know. Like if you go, I don't really understand them. Like, you know, you go to any other corporation. Well, you go to McDonald's and get a hamburger, and then if you decide not to get a hamburger, they're not going to like grab you and try and intimidate you and get you to admit to a commercial charge under an equitable agreement. So it's basically they're forcing you into a contract, and their very motto is like uphold the rights. So, you know. Well, that's probably the whole issue. Like what I've established is that the whole world is back to front once you start investigating. So, you know, them putting the logo on themselves, like uphold the right, is obviously an indication that they're not actually doing that, and that's the last thing that they could actually care about. So, yeah. So if you're going to start doing rights audits and stuff like that, so. And refusing your commercial contracts with any police corporation, yes, yeah, make sure you refuse. If every time they open their mouth is a contractual offer, so make sure that you refuse all offers. Make sure you record it all, and do it so it screams live, or whether it's YouTube, Facebook, whatever, and it's recorded. And because they will try and get access to your phone, and they will try and delete the evidence. And it's very interesting that they call themselves a law enforcement agency, which is like just totally blows my mind, because that's nothing further from the truth. You know, it's just. The more you look into these type of corporations, the more you establish it is fraud on top of fraud on top of fraud. Like once upon a time, I actually used to have some type of respect for Victoria Police, and just it is just all no respect now, because it's just all fraudulent activities. So. Yeah, so if you do rights audits, just lock your car, put your window down an inch, because they always try and open the door, video it all, and refuse all offers. So when they're making their threats, that is actually a commercial offer to you. So make sure you refuse that as well. So, all right, cheers people, and keep up the good work. Uphold the rights.